Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be doing some floral filigree nails that are perfect for anything bridal, plus showing you the new shears collection from DND Gel. So I'm going to just go right into the nail art. First, I'm going to apply the base coat and cure. Now I'm taking Tie the Knot and applying 2 coats for the base color, curing in between of course. Next, I'm using wedding veil and a thin brush to first draw a stem, then add a few petals at the top to create a flower. I'm going to add in a leaf, then a little swirly vine. I'll be filling in the rest of the nail with leaves, vines, and some small dots. Also, be sure to check out dndgel.com and use my code HannahRocksIt for 30% off. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to flash cure for about 10 seconds. And now I'll be adding 1 layer of Tie the Knot over the entire nail. This will soften the design and give a really pretty effect. Once you've cured your previous layer, add some top coat and cure one last time. And that's how to get these delicate floral nails. Right after this, I did swatches, so I figured I'd add in some pop-off footage since it's so satisfying to remove gels with a peel-off base coat. Alright, so for DND's shears collection, there are a total of 36 shades. They're all amazingly stunning and perfect for any occasion, especially weddings, bridal showers, or baby showers. They also all come in both gel and regular lacquer. I picked out 5 of my favorites to swatch, so I'm going to show 3 coats for each one. The first one is Tie the Knot. This is the perfect milky white. Next is Nude Escape. This is such a nice natural color that I think would work on a lot of skin tones. Now we have Lost Lavender, which is a gorgeous blush lilac shade. Here we have Sunset Beige. This is a beige sheer that leans a little peachy. And last but not least is Rosy Pink, which is a beautiful rosy sheer that gives a nice blush look to the nails. Here are all 5 shades on one hand to compare, along with the entire collection swatched together on the swatch board. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the nail art and the swatches. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later.